G'day everyone, just got back from a walk from going down to the beach, making me bee videos. The bees are alive, they're moving about, and we've got all these beautiful birds here. Can't believe it. We've got the magpie there, we've got the usual green ones, and we've got the pigeons of course, and the eastern rosella. Is it eastern rosella, this one? Yeah. Beautiful colours. Normally it's like dark like this, it wouldn't be that enhanced, the colour. This morning they seem to be really enhanced. Wow, what a beautiful looking bird. Colours on it is fantastic. Wow. Even the pigeons look good. Oh well. I'm going to have to walk past that spot. I'll walk close to this spot and they're going to fly off. I don't know why they're going to get. They'll probably have to go walk past this spot. So let's have a look. Just do a little bit of steps. Well, they might not fly off. Yeah, I'm hoping they're looking at the. I saw one green bird looking at the bird's nest the other day, so I'm hoping they'll come back to use that one. Oh. The magpie's just looking at me. Hello, Maggie. Oh, then we'll fly off this time. Oh, that one. Ah, and of course, we have the white cocky. I thought you all flew off. No, unfortunately you didn't fly off, did you? Oh well. Let's let you do your own thing. But I can't believe how many birds we've got here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 different birds just here this morning. I think I saw one of the grey ones floating about too. The pink one, one of the pink one on its throat. That's 5. Then I saw 1, 2, 3 down the beach. So different types of birds as well. So and I saw a crow, I think, fly past. So 9 different birds this morning. No, you'll take it easy on. It's cold. You all have a great day. Thank you for watching.